front of me. Us. You got anything done?
Downpipe, intake. I'm about to run the 85.
Oh, okay, okay.
I have a clutch, like flywheel.
How much horsepower are you pushing?
I already got probably around like 250.
250.
260, somewhere around there.
Yeah, I got a supercharger kit on it.
Oh, supercharged?
Yeah, yeah. But
how much do you think you're pushing?
I'm pushing right now 384.
384.
Yeah. But the gears suck. The stock OEM gears suck. It's so short.
Yeah.
And I'm not using all my power, so it's like like when we were racing, I already hit 6th when we were racing earlier. So I was just like, I need newer gears, I need taller gears, and plus I spin too much, so it's not that good. Yeah.
I think I have a lot of top end.
Yeah, yeah. It's not bad. It's not bad.
I like it.
Thanks, man.